Right. So today's topic is adjacent angles. Okay, adjacent angles. So write the topic adjacent angles. Right. Now see what is this adjacent angle is. Okay. See, this is my angle. So here I'll draw another line. Then this angle and this angle. Right. Now see this angle I mark as simple A angle and this angle mark as simple B angle. Right. Then I put the letters capital A, B, C, and this point is O. Right. Now here I have two angles. Right. You can see I have two angles. So this A angle and B angle. Right. Now I'm going to find a small thing here. Right. See here. Uh, this one. In this table. Okay. Angle and vertex and also arms. Right. So you know what is vertex and what is arms. Okay. Right. Now my first angle is AOB angle. Right. So what is AOB angle? See, AOB angle. So this angle. Right. This is AOB angle. AOB angle. Right. Now I want the vertex. So can you tell me what is the vertex of this AOB angle?
O.
O is the vertex. So this is the vertex, right? So vertex. So can you tell me the arms?
A and B. AO, BO.
How to name the arms? This side is called arm, right? This side, right? This is straight line. How? A O, right? A O. Or you can write O A. Both correct, right? A O, one arm. Another arm, O B, right? These are the arms, right? So when you name the arms, you should write these letters AO and OB, right? So AOB angle, O is the vertex, this is vertex, and these are the arms, this AO and
Sir,
OB. Yes,
C is what,
right?
brother?
මොකද්ද?
C එක
නෑනේ දැන් මම බලන්නේ මේ angle එක විතරයි නේ හංස. මේ AOB angle. See? Right? AOB angle, right? Wait up. Right. My second angle is BOC angle. Right? See BOC angle. Here BOC angle. Now this is my angle. Right? So BOC, not that bank. Huh? BOC angle. Right. What is the vertex?
O.
O is the vertex, right? O is the vertex. So what are the arms?
OB and OC. CO, OC.
OB, right? One arm, OB and OC, right? OB and OC. Those are the two arms, right? Now you can see here, AOB angle, this angle, and BOC angle, this angle, right? So see the vertex. What about the vertex? both angles vertex is O. So that means vertex is common, right? Vertex is common. පේනව නේද? මේ angle දෙකටම vertex එක වෙලා තියෙන්නේ O. එහෙනම් මේ AOB කියන angle එකයි BOC කියන angle එකයි ගත්තාම ඒ දෙකටම vertex එක O. එතකොට අපි කියනවා vertex is common. Vertex is common. Another property here. Arms. Is there common arm? Is there common arm?
No.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes. What is the common arm? What is the common arm?
OB.
OB.
OB. Right, yes, you can see. OB common arm. මේ බලන්න. මේ angle දෙකටම මෙන්න මේ මැද්දේ තියෙන OB කියන arm එක common. Right? So we say to pair of angles. See, these are the pair of angles has common vertex. Common vertex. And also common arm. Common arm. Then we say those are called adjacent angles. Right? Adjacent angles. Right. So another property is there. Right? Adjacent angle වෙන්න තව property එකක් තියෙනවා. දැන් මම මෙතන property දෙකක් ගැන කිව්වා. මොනවාද properties දෙක? Common vertex and common arm. Right. තව property එකක් තියෙනවා. Right? ඒක තව චුට්ටෙන් බලමු. හරි. So please write down this one. Draw this figure and draw this small table and write. Hurry up, write. Yeah. Right. So in this figure, see, so I'll take another figure, right? So this is my angle. This is one arm. This is another arm. So this is the, what is this red color? Arm. What is this red color arm?
Common.
That is common arm. Common arm. Right. So this is the angle and this is the another angle. Right. So this is the common arm. Right. Then I mark these two angles A and B. Then these are letters. Okay. Right. This is the common vertex. So I mark in red color. Right. Now to be adjacent angles. So here I told two properties. Okay. So first one is common vertex, right? Two angles, pair of angles should have common vertex. Common vertex. Angle දෙකට common vertex එකක් තියෙන්නට ඕන. Right? එතකොට adjacent angle වෙන්න තියෙනවා condition තුනක්. Three conditions, right? First condition is should be common vertex. So this simple A angle and simple B angle has O, common vertex, right? Then second property is should have common arm, common arm. So this here, this red color, OB is common arm, right? Those two property we saw in the early figure, right? Now third property is this one. See, two angles should located on either side of the common arm. See, either side. Either side කියලා කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? දෙපැත්තේ. දෙපැත්තේ. Right? ඒ කියන්නේ common arm එකෙන් දෙපැත්තේ වෙන්න ඕන. Two sides. See, this is the common arm. This is one angle. This is another angle. Right? So these two angles are located either side of this common arm, right? So remember, can you understood that one? Can you understand this property? Located on either side of common arm. ඔය කියන එක තේරෙනව නේද? මේ කියන එක තේරෙනව නේද?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So these are the right. These are the three properties, right? එතකොට to be an adjacent angle should have common vertex, common arm, and located either side of common arm. Common arm again, දෙපැත්තේ තියෙන්නට ඕන, right? So please put a star mark and write the three properties. Now I'll draw another angle here. See, this is my angles. Okay, these are the arms, right? Now my first angle is this one, right? This is my angle, so I name as this A, this vertex O, this vertex B, and this vertex C, right? So this is my one angle. Then my another angle is this one. See, this big angle, this big angle. Those are the pair of angles, two angles, right? So now I want to know these two angles are adjacent angles or not, right? මේ angle දෙක adjacent angle ද නැද්ද කියලා බලන්න ඕන. Check the three properties. අර properties තුන බලන්න. මොනවාද properties? Common vertex, common arm, located either side of common arm, right? This angle, what is vertex? Tell me.
O.
O is the vertex. This big angle, what is the vertex?
O.
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 O. So that has common vertex, right? Common vertex, O, right? Second condition is should have common arm. Common arm. So this is small angle and this big angle. What is the common arm?
OB. OB.
No. No. What is the common arm?
OA.
No. Oh, sorry. What is the common arm?
OA.
OA.
OB.
No. OA. Right? OA. Can you see? OA. See? This angle. Okay? This angle. What are the arms? What are the arms?
AO and BO.
AO. This is one arm. OB another arm. Okay? OB another arm. Or you can change the letters. Right? Then this big angle. This big angle. Right? What are the arms?
OB, OC.
OA and OC. Right? Right? OA and OC. Can you see? OA and OC. Right? This big angle. මේ ලොකු angle එක බලන්න. මේ ලොකු angle එක නම් මේ මම මේ ටික මගනවා. See? This is the big angle. Okay? Can you see now? This is vertex. Common O vertex. What are the arms? OA and OC. Right? OA, OC. Now, if this side is there, if I get this angle, now what is the common arm? What is the common arm?
AO.
If O, right? AO is the common arm. මේ තමා common arm එක. හරිද? So common arm is AO. Understood that one? Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
හරිද? අනිත් අයටත් මේක තේරෙනව නේද? දැන් බලන්න first condition is common vertex. Right. Common vertex is there. Common arm. Common arm is there. Now, third condition is two angles should locate either side of common arm. ඒ කියන්නේ angle දෙක තියෙන්න ඕන common arm එකෙන් දෙපැත්තේ. Right? Either side of common arm. දැන් බලන්න කලින් යන දෙකේ මම මේ this is arm, this is arm, this is side. මම angle දෙක ගත්තේ මොකද්ද? මෙන්න මේ angle එක එකක්, මේ angle එක තව එකක්. Right? මේ angle එකයි මේ angle එකයි. එතකොට common vertex හරි common arm එක හරි. angle දෙක තියෙන කොහෙද? මෙන්න මේ common arm එකෙන් මේ එකක් මේ angle එක අනික මෙහා. common arm එකෙන් දෙපැත්තේ. ඒකට තමයි කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? either side of common arm. Right? දැන් බලන්න මේකේ මේක තමයි common arm එක. මේ common arm. එතකොට මේ පොඩි angle එකයි මේ ලොකු angle එකයි මම ගන්නෙ. එතකොට මේ common arm එකෙන් මෙයයි මෙයයි තියෙන්නේ දෙපැත්තේද? either side ද?
No.
No. Same side. මේ common arm එකෙන් එකම පැත්තේ තමයි angle දෙකම තියෙන්නේ. Right? This small angle and this big angle are same side of common arm. common arm එකෙන් එකම පැත්තේ. මේක එහෙම නෙමෙයිනේ. මේ බලන්න. මේක තමයි common arm එක. මෙයා මේ පැත්තේ මෙයා අනිත් පැත්තේ. either side of common arm. adjacent angle වෙන්න නම් common arm එකෙන් දෙපැත්තේ වෙන්න ඕන. එතකොට මේකේ common arm එකෙන් දෙපැත්තේ වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඒකින්ද මේ angle එකයි මේ ලොකු angle එකයි adjacent angle වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Those are not adjacent angles. Understood? මේ angle දෙක adjacent angle වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Common vertex right, common arm right, but angles are not located either side of common arm. Therefore, these two angles are not adjacent angles. Right? Okay? This AOB angle and this big angle AOC angle are not adjacent angles. Right? So write down angles. What is the reason? What is the reason? Those two angles are not located either side of common arm. Right? So if they ask the reason, you should write the reason. What is the reason? Not located either side of common arm. Not located either side of common arm. See, common arm BC, common arm BC. This is common arm, right? But this angle vertex is B. This angle vertex is C. No common vertex. What is the third condition? Third condition, located either side of common arm. This is common arm, right? This is common arm. This angle located this side. This angle located other side. Located either side of common arm. That condition is okay, right? Located on either side කියන එක හරි නෙමෙයි නේද? එතකොට හරියන්නේ නැති එකම එක්කෙනා තමයි කවුද? No common vertex, right? So these are not adjacent angle. Please draw this one. How to name this angle?
ABC angle.
C angle. Right. A, B, C angle. A, B, C angle. And how to name this angle?
BCD.
BCD angle. Are not adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. What is the reason? Reason, no common
vertex.
vertex. No common vertex. Right. So this one. So this part we did. Now see, adjacent angle on a straight line. See, I'll draw this figure again. See, this is my straight line. Okay, this is the vertex. Then this is another straight line. So I name this one A, B, and this vertex B. Right. Then I draw that line, that is OC line. So now my one angle is this one. This is my one angle. This is the another angle. Right. So now you know these two angles are adjacent angle. Right. මේ දෙන්න adjacent angle. එතකොට මේ දෙන්නම තියෙන්නේ කොහෙද? On straight line. AB straight line. Right. Now I take this whole angle. What is the magnitude of this whole angle? What is the magnitude?
180 degree.
180 degree. 180 degree. So that means sum addition, right? Sum of two adjacent angles on a straight line. Sum of two angles on a straight line is 180 degree, right? Right. So please write this small topic. Please write this small topic. See, so this is one angle, this is another angle. Sum of these two angles is 180 degree, right? So if I mark this angle is simple A degree, this angle is simple B degree, right? Now I can say simple A degree plus simple B degree is equal to
180 degree.
180 degree. 180 degree. So these two angles are on a straight line, right? These two angles we call adjacent angles, right? So අපි කියනවා කොහමද? Sum of adjacent angles on a straight line is 180 degree, right? So that is the result, right? See, this angle 110 degree, this angle x degree. These two angles are on a straight line. So what is the result? 110 degree plus x degree, right? Sum of two angles that should be equal to 180 degree, right? So this is equation now. Remember the equation? Remember, we solve equation in two methods. This is equation. Now to find the x, remove this 110. 110 අයින් කරන්න ඕන නේද? How to remove the 110 degree? How to remove the 110 degree? You can't remember the equation. 110 degree added. So subtract 110 degree. Here plus x degree equal 180 degree subtract 110 degree. Remember, both sides subtract this 110. Then what happened? 110 degree, 110 degree, 0. X remain equal 180 degree minus 110 degree. How many degree?
70.
70 degree. So that is the magnitude of x degree. Okay? Understood? Right? So see, this angle 40 degree, this angle 80 degree, this angle x degree. So whole angle is 180 degree. Now write the sum. So I write x first, right? See, this angle x plus 80 degree, right? Plus this angle 40 degree. So this is the sum of this whole angle. That is equal to 180 degree, right? So now this is an equation. 80 degree and 40 degree you can add. These two you can add. නේ ඉතින් add කරාගෙන. එතකොට හම්බෙන්නේ කවුද? Here x plus 80 degree plus 40 degree. How many degree?
120 degrees.
120 degree, right? Equal to 180 degree.
80 degrees.
Now want to find the x. 120 added. Remove this 120.
60.
How to remove this 120?
60.
How to remove this 120?
Subtract
Subtract
Subtract 120 from
So,
180.
x plus 120 degree. To remove this 120 degree, subtract 120 degree. Right side, subtract 120 degree. නේ මේ පැත්තෙන් subtract කරුවොත් මේ පැත්තෙන් subtract කරන්න ඕන. ඒ කරේ මොකටද? මෙන්න මේ 120 අයින් කරන්න. එතකොට added 120 and subtract 120, 0. X remain. X is equal 180 minus 120,
60.
60 degree. Right? So answer is 60 degree. This angle x degree. This angle 4x degree. This angle x degree. What is our result? This whole angle is 180 degree. Right? And now write this whole angle. මේ සම්පූර්ණ angle එක ලියනවා. කොහොමද මේ සම්පූර්ණ angle එක ලියන්නේ? මේ angle එකයි මෙයයි මොනා කරන්න ඕනද? Add sum. නේ? මේ බලන්න. This angle x plus this angle 4x plus this angle x. එතකොට මේ angle තුන add කරපුවාම නේද මේ සම්පූර්ණ angle එක ලැබෙන්නේ? Right? Thus the sum is 180. Understood? X plus 4x plus x. How many x? How many x? X plus 4x plus x. How many x?
6x.
6x, right? X plus 4x, 5x plus x, 6x equal 180 degree. So in the equation lesson, you solve this type of one. What happened to 6 and x? What is the mathematical operation here? What is the mathematical operation?
Divide.
Here mathematical operation is multiplication, right? One. To remove this 6, should divide, right? මේ දෙන්න අතර තියෙන mathematical operation එක multiplication. ඒ කියන්නේ x එක්කලා 6 තියෙන්නේ multiply වෙලා. එතකොට multiply වෙලා තියෙන 6 අයින් කරන්න මොකද්ද කරන්න ඕන? Divide. Right? Both sides divide by this multiplied number. 6. 6. Understood? Divide by 6. Right? Then this 6 and this 6 cut 1. Remain x. 180 degree divide by 6. How many degree?
40 degrees.
180 degree divide by 6. That is
60 degrees. 30 degrees.
30 degree. Nether 180 divide කළ බලන්න 6 වලින් 18. 18 තියෙන 3යිනේ. 30 degree. Right? So x is 30 degree. හරිද? Right? Understood?
Okay,
See, AD is straight line, right? So angle on straight line, this whole angle how many degree?
180 degrees.
This whole angle 180 degree, right? You can write the sum. How? 3x plus 80 degree plus 2x equal to 180 degree. So using that one, you can find x, right? Then x is okay. Now 3x you can tell. So ABC angle is 3x, right? So first one is write the sum. How to write the sum? In Roman number 1, 3x plus, I'll write the x term together. My x term ටික ළඟින් ලියනවා. 3x plus 2x plus 80 degree. Right? ඉතින් තේරුණා නේද? 3x plus 2x plus 80. කොහොම ලිව්වත් එකයිනේ. Equal to how many? 180.
100.
මේක තේරුණා නේද හැමෝටම? කියන්න ගැටලුවක් තියෙනවද දැන් මම? 3x plus 2x plus 80 degree 3x plus 2x plus 80 මම x ටික ළඟින් ලිව්වා 180, right? Now you can add 3x and 2x. How many x? 3x plus 2x, how many x?
5x.
5x plus 80 degree equal to 180 degree. Now equation. First remove 5 or 80?
80.
80. How to remove the 80?
Subtract 80.
Subtract 80. මේ පැත්තෙනුත් subtract කරනවා මේ පැත්තෙනුත් subtract කරනවා. මේ බලන්න 5x plus 80 degree subtract 80 degree equal 180 degree subtract 80 degree, right? දෙපැත්තෙන්ම 80 degree subtract කරුවා. එතකොට මොකද වෙන්නේ? plus 80 minus 80 0. Right. Here remain 5x equal 180 minus 80. How many?
100 degrees.
100 degree. 100 degree. Now you can remove this multiplied 5. How to remove the multiplied 5?
Divide 5.
Divide by 5. Divide by 5. Both sides divide by 5. 5 cut. X is remain.
Equal
100
to
divided by
20.
5 is
20.
100 divided by 5 is 20 degree. 20 degree. Right? Now, Roman number 1 say, find the magnitude of ABC angle. See, ABC angle is 3x. Right? That means 3 times x. 3 times x. So 3 times x. What is x? 20. 3 times 20 degree. 3 times 20 degrees.
60 degrees.
60 degree. 60 degree. So ABC angle. See, ABC angle 60 degree. Right? Any question? See, Roman number 2 say, find the magnitude of CBD angle. See, Roman number 2, CBD angle. Find the magnitude of CBD angle. So see, what is CBD angle? CBD, see, CBD angle. This whole angle, right? CBD angle means this whole angle, right? How to find that whole angle?
180 minus 60.
Yes, that is one method. Okay, right. See, this method is easy or not? See, CBD angle means 2x plus 80, right? See, CBD angle means, see, this angle 80, this angle 2x. 80 plus 2x. ඒක පේනවද? CBD angle එක කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේ ලොකු angle එකනේ. මේ ලොකු angle එක ගන්න නම් මේ 80 degree මේ 2x එක මොනා කරන්න ඕනද? add කරන්න ඕන නේද? මේ angle දෙක add කරපුවාමනේ CBD angle එක ලැබෙන්නේ මෙයා ලැබෙන්නේ. හරිද? CBD angle mean 80 plus 2x, right? So I wrote 80 plus 2x, right? Understood? Now 80 plus 2x. 2x means 2 times x. What is our x? What is our x? What is x?
2x.
X is 20. X හොයාගත්තේ 20 කියලා නේද? Right? මේක අපි x එක 20 නේ. Right? Understood? Now 80 plus 2 into 20, 40 degree. Right? That means 80 plus 40, 120. So this is one method, right? This one. Sum of the angle around the point on a plane. So please write this topic. Sum of the angles around a point on a plane. Sum of angles around a point on a plane. Right. Now see. Right. See now. This is a point. See. This is a point. So I draw big point to see. This is a point on a plane. So this is a plane. Flat surface. Right. Flat surface is a plane. Right. Now. Right. This is a plane. Now. This is a straight line. Right. Now I took this whole angle. See? Can you see? Angle around this point. මෙන්න මේ point එක වටේ තියෙන angle එක ගන්නවා. ඒකට මම පොඩි straight line එකක් ඇඳගත්තා. Right? Now I took this whole angle. See? Can you see? This whole angle. Right? So this is the angle around the point. මෙන්න මේ point එක වටේ තියෙන angle එක තමයි මේ. Right? So this is the angle around the point. Right? So what is the magnitude? What is the magnitude?
360 degree.
That is 300
360
degree. So angle around the point
degree.
is 360 degree. 360 degree. Right. Please draw this small figure and write this one. Finish. Right, then put a star mark and write this way. Sum of the angle around a point on a plane is 360 degree. Sum of angles on around a point. Right, this is point. This is angle around the point. Right? So that is equal to 360 degree. Okay, finish.
Yes. Please, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So sum of the angles around a point, 360 degree. Right. Now see, right. So now I told you this one. See, this is a point. See, this is a point. Okay, now you can see. So this is a straight line. This is another straight line. So I told you this angle is x degree, right? This big angle is 270 degree, right? 270 degree. Right. Now I want to find the x. දැන් මට ඕන x කියන එක කෙනා හොයාගන්න. දැන් අපි මේ result එකෙන් දන්නේ මොකක්ද? මේ තනි point එකක් නම් මේ point එක වටේ තියෙන මේ whole angle එක මේ සම්පූර්ණ angle එක කොච්චරද?
360 degree.
360 degree. Right. දැන් මම මේ තියෙන ඒ වලින් මේ සම්පූර්ණ angle එක ලියනවා. Right? Whole angle. Outright. This is small angle x. Right? එයාට add කරනවා කවුද? This angle. This angle 270 degree. Right? Now see. X angle plus 270. එතකොට මේ මේ තියෙන point එක වටේ තියෙන සම්පූර්ණ angle එක ඇවිල්ලා නේද? Right? Understood? X degree plus this whole angle around the point. So that is equal to how many? 360 degree. නේද මේ තනි point එක වටේ තියෙන මේ angle එකයි ගත්තාම මේ point එක වටේ තියෙන සම්පූර්ණ angle එක ඇවිල්ලානේ. එතකොට සම්පූර්ණ angle එක වෙන්නේ කවුද? 360 degree. Now this is equation. Remove this 270. How to remove this 270?
Answer is 90 degree.
X plus 270 degree subtract 270 degree. මේ add වෙලා තියෙන 270 අයින් කරන්න subtract කරනවා 270. එතකොට 360 minus 270 degree. 270 0. X remain. 360 minus 270. How many? 90 degree. Right? That is the X. Let's see this example. See, this angle 100 degree, this angle 190 degree, this angle X. Whole angle is around this point, right? Now write the sum. How? X plus 100 degree plus 190 degree. So that is sum of the angle around this point, whole angle. That should be equal to 360 degree, right? Now this equation, these two angles you can add. How many? Here X plus 100 degree plus 190. How many?
290.
290 degrees. That is equal to 360 degree. Now remove this added 290. How to remove the added 290? Subtract 290. Subtract 290. Then 290 0. Here X remain. 360 minus 290 is 70 degree.
70.
Right? 70 degree. So this part, say this one. This is the thing we learned. So last part is vertically opposite angles. So please write the topic. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Right. Now see what is this vertically opposite angles. Right. දැන් බලමු මොනවාද මේ vertically opposite angles කියන්නේ කියලා. හරි මේ බලන්න. This is a straight line. See? Straight line. Okay? This is another straight line. Right? So here you can see a straight line, another straight line. Two straight lines intersect at this point. මේ බලන්න මේ straight line දෙක මෙන්න මේ point එකේදී intersect වෙලා cut වෙලා. හරි? Now here is an angle. See? This is one angle. Right? One angle. Here another angle. So these two angles are opposite to each other. Opposite to each other. මේ angle දෙක තියෙන්නේ කොහමද? එක එක්කෙනාට opposite. එතකොට මෙන්න මේ දෙකට කියනවා අපි මොනවා කියලාද? Vertically opposite angles. right? These two angles are called vertically opposite angle. Two angles, pair of angles, right? See another one, right? See another one here. This is one angle. Here another angle. These two are also vertically opposite angles. Okay, these two are also vertically opposite angles. Understood? Right?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Yes or no? Right? So this type of vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. Right? Equal. This angle and this angle equal. Right? And also this angle and this angle is also equal. This angle 30 degree, 30 degree. This angle is also 30 degree, right? This angle 110 degree. This angle is also 110 degree, right? So put a star mark and write vertically opposite angles are equal to each other, right? Vertically opposite angles are equal to each other.